Hello everyone, welcome to our math class. In this class, we are going to solve 5 questions from the chapter Loci, Locus and its construction. Okay, and the questions are from the board paper 2010, 2016, 2019, 2022 and the specimen copy of 2024. Okay. Now we start. So first question is from 2010. The question is like this: use ruler and compass only. This is the instruction. Now first question is construct triangle ABC where AB is 3.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter and angle ABC is 60 degree. That means first we are going to construct a triangle whose base BC is 6 centimeter, then base is 6 centimeter and angle ABC is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree and here this point is A, which is at 3.5 centimeter from B, and then join this, we will get our triangle. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first I am going to draw a base BC as 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is our base 6 centimeter. So this is our base 6 centimeter. Okay, now this is base BC of 6 centimeter. Now we are going to make 60 degree angle from B. Okay, so for that we will put compass here and draw a semicircle. Okay, first we will draw a semicircle here. Okay, this is our semicircle, and then we'll put the compass here and cut this semicircle. This is our 60 degree angle. Okay, so 60 degree angle is this length of AB is 3.5 centimeter. So we'll draw a 3.5 centimeter line segment here. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter. So this is 3.5 centimeter and 60 degree. Okay, so this point is A and then join AC. Now our triangle is completed. Okay, so this is first part of this question. Now second part is construct the locus of point inside the triangle which are equidistant from BA and BC. Okay, so now we have to construct a locus which is equidistant from BA and BC. That means we have to construct an angle bisector of angle ABC. Okay, so to construct an angle bisector, now let's do. Okay, first this arc is already there. Okay, cutting both the arms of angle ABC. So that means now I start from here. Okay, so let us make one arc here. This is one arc and another from this point to cut this arc. Okay, so this is our angle bisector. So this is our angle bisector of angle ABC. That is the locus which is equidistant from AB and BC. Okay, so this is our angle bisector. Let us this point be D. Okay, now next part 3. So here part 3, construct the locus of a point inside the triangle which are equidistant from B and C. That means these are equidistant from 2 points. That means we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so next we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so now let's do. For that, first we'll take our compass here and measure little more than half of BC. Okay, so this. Okay, now here this and this. Okay, so taking the same compass at point B, cut this arc. So this and this. Okay, so this is our perpendicular bisector of BC, or the locus of a point which is equidistant from B and C. Okay, so this done. Now we have to. Okay, now the fourth question is mark the point P which is equidistant from AB, BC and also equidistant from B and C. That means we have to mark the point which is intersection of angular bisector and perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, and that point must lie inside the triangle. Okay, so here this point is here. Okay, this point is P. Okay, so this is the point. And last part of the question is measure and record the length of PB. Now finally we have to measure this PB. Okay, PB, and then write down the length of this PB. Okay, let us measure this PB. So here it is. Okay, it is PB 3.8. Okay, this is 3.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is our question from 2010 board paper. Now next question, that is from 2016. Here question is like this: use ruler and compass only. That is the instruction. Now first part is construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 6.5 centimeter. That means we have to construct a triangle whose base BC is 6.5 centimeter, and then angle ABC is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree, and the length of AB is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, and join this. So this is our triangle. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first we are going to draw a base BC as 5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so first we are going to draw a base BC as 6.5 centimeter. So this is our base 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is base BC. Now we are going to construct 60 degree angle. Okay, so for that we will use a compass. Okay, so first from here we will make a semicircular arc. Okay, so till here it's okay because we have to construct only 60 degree angle. So first taking the compass here, we will cut our semicircular arc. Okay, so this is our 60 degree angle. Now let us draw 60 degree angle and point A, which is at a distance of 5 centimeter. So I'll measure 5 centimeter here and draw a line segment AB. So this is our point A. Okay, now join AC. So our first part, that is construction of triangle, done. Okay, now second part of the question is construct the locus of a point at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from a point A. That means here we have to construct a locus of a point from a single point. Okay, at a distance is given. That means here we have to draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so now, and the radius is center is A. Okay, so let us first measure the radius, that is 3.5 centimeter. So I'll measure like this. So this is our 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter, and A is a center. This is a fixed point. Okay, so from here we are going to draw a circle. So this is a locus of a point which is 3.5 centimeter from a point A. Okay, so this part done. Now question number 3. So question number 3 is construct the locus of a point equidistant from AC and BC. That means equidistant from two lines, intersecting line. That means we are going to draw angular bisector of angle C. Okay, so angular bisector of angle C. So this is angle C. We are going to construct angular bisector of angle C. So for that, first we'll put our compass at C and then draw an arc which intersect both the arms BC and AC. Okay, now again putting the compass at the first point of intersection, that is here. Okay, so this is first, and then we'll put the compass in another point of intersection here and then cut this arc. Okay, so now here we got our angular bisector of angle C, that is a locus of a point which is equidistant from AC and BC. Okay, so this is our second part. Okay, I'll draw like this. So okay, now next part. Okay, next part is mark 2 points X and Y which are at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. Okay, we have to mark two points x and y which are at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from A. That means these 2 points x and y must lies on a circle. Okay. Also equidistant from AC and BC. And second condition is this x and y lies on the angular bisector as well. Okay. That means we have to mark the point which intersect the point which are the intersection of angular bisector and the circle. Okay. So these are the point. First point is this. Let us mark this as x, and this is the second point. This point as y. Okay. So according to this question, x and y are at a distance of 3.5 centimeter from a circle. That means these 2 points lies on a circle. Okay. As well, these are equidistant from AC and BC. That means this point must lies in angular bisector also. Okay. That's why these are the point x and y. And finally, measure xy. Okay. Let us measure xy. So we have to write the length of xy. So let us measure this xy. Okay. So this is 5 centimeter. Okay, I got 5 centimeter. So xy is 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is question from 2016. Okay. This question is from the board paper 2019. Okay. So the question is like this: using ruler and compass only. This is the instruction. Okay. Construct a semicircle with the diameter BC equal to 7 centimeter. That means first we are going to draw a diameter BC 7 centimeter, and from here we are going to construct a semicircle. Okay. Locate a point A on the circumference of the semicircle such that A is equidistant from B and C. Okay, that means our locus is equidistant from 2 points B and C. That means we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this perpendicular bisector meet the circle at point A. So this is our point A. Okay. Complete the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD such that D is equidistant from AB and BC. That means here we have to join AB and AB, later on AC also. Okay, AB. We have to join AB here. Okay. So that means now D is equidistant from AB and BC. That means D lies on the locus of angle B. That means we have to construct a locus of angle B. Okay, so this will be like this. So point D is here, and then we have to join AD and AC. This is our complete cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So after completing the cyclic quadrilateral, we have to measure angle ADC. Angle ADC. Angle ADC means we have to measure this angle and write it down. Okay. So this is the rough sketch. Now let's start our construction. Okay. So first we are going to draw a semicircle BC. Okay. So first to draw a semicircle, we are going to draw a BC 7 centimeter diameter. Okay. So this is BC 7 centimeter. Okay. From here, it is BC 7 centimeter. Okay. So BC 7 centimeter. Okay. Now BC 7 centimeter means this is a diameter, so our radius is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so from a compass, let us mark 3.5 centimeter. Okay, measure 3.5 centimeter here. This is okay. This is 3.5 centimeter. Then we are going to draw a circle. Okay, so first this is our center. Now let us draw a semicircle. Okay, so this is our semicircle. Okay, first part done. Okay, now second part, we have to locate a point A on a circumference of a semicircle such that A is equidistant from B and C. That means here we are going to bisect BC. Okay, so we know how to bisect BC. This is perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, so first we are going to measure a compass little more than half but less than the length BC. Okay, I'll mark this. So here one arc and okay, one arc here and another arc on another side. Okay, so here, and then cut this arc by putting the compass at point B. Okay, so this and this. Okay, now this is our perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, this is our BC, and this perpendicular meet circle at this point. So this point is A. Okay, so this is our point A. Now next part, complete the cyclic quadrilateral ABCD such that D is equidistant from AB and BC. Okay, let us join AB. Okay, so this is our AB. Okay, so this is our AB. To complete a cyclic quadrilateral, we have to find the point D, which is equidistant from AB and BC. Means now we are going to construct angular bisector of angle B. Okay, so that means for that, first we'll put a compass at B and then draw a arc to intersect both AB and BC. Okay, so this is our first arc, AB and BC. Now putting compass here, we'll make another arc here. Okay, so this is another arc. Similarly, putting the compass at this point and then another arc here. Okay, so this is our angular bisector. Okay, so this is our angular bisector of angle B. Okay, now this angular bisector meet the circle at D. Okay, so this is our point D. Now join AD and AC, that is our cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so let us join this point and this point. Okay, now we have our cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, now the last part of the question is measure angle ADC and write it down. This is angle ADC. Now using protractor, let us measure this angle ADC. Okay, so angle ADC is okay from here. So this is 100, okay, 35, okay, approximately 135 degree. Okay, now next question. This question is from 2022. Okay, so first part is same, using ruler and compass for this question instruction. Now the question is construct a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so first we have to construct a circle. So here the rough sketch. So first we have to construct a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay, let it be the center. Draw a chord AB of 6 centimeters. So we need to construct a chord. Okay, I'll make here. So this is AB, chord of 6 centimeter. Okay, then find the locus of point equidistant from A and B. That means we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so this is our perpendicular bisector. Then mark the point where it meet the circle as D. Okay, that means this perpendicular meet the circle at here also, here also. Okay, you can either mark this as point D or this as point D, but I suggest to mark point D on the major side. Okay, major arc. So here, okay, it will make our construction easier. Okay, now join AD and find the locus of point which are equidistant from AD and AB. Okay, that means we have to join AD. Now we have to draw a locus of line AD and AB. That means we are going to draw a angular bisector. So angular bisector like this. Okay, and this AB, mark the point where it meet the circle at C. That means this point is C. Okay. Now join, sorry, this point is C. Now join BC and CD. This and this join. That means our cyclic quadrilateral is completed. Okay. So after that, measure and write down the length of BC. We have to measure this BC and write down its length. Okay. So let's start. Okay, first we are going to draw a circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay, that means now let us measure 4.5 centimeter from the scale. Okay, so this is our 4.5 centimeter. Okay, you can measure this by drawing a 4.5 centimeter line and then measure. Okay, whichever way is easier, you can measure like that. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to draw a circle. Okay, so this is our circle. Okay, I'll draw it here. So this is our circle of radius 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is first part. Now second, we have to draw a chord of AB 6 centimeter. Okay, so you can directly use scale to draw a chord, or we can first measure this here. Okay, 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. Now what we can do is we can draw, okay, use this point and then cut here. Okay, I'll use this point. Okay, so cut here. So this is our chord. Okay, so we can join these 2 points. So this is our chord AB. Okay, 6 centimeter. Okay, or you can directly use scale to draw this chord. Okay, so this is our AB chord of 6 centimeter. Okay, now next is find the locus of a point which is equidistant from A and B. That means we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector, okay, of line segment AB or chord AB. So we know how to construct a perpendicular bisector. So compass little more than half of this line segment AB. So one arc here and another arc here. Okay, so these are the two arcs. Now taking the same compass at point A, cut this previous arc, this and this, done. Now we are ready to draw a perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Okay, so this is our perpendicular bisector of chord AB, which meet the circle at point here also, here also. I already told we are going to use point D at major side. Okay, so this is our point D. Okay, now next part, join AD. Now we are going to join this AD. Okay, let us join this AD. Okay, join AD and find the locus of a point which are equidistant from AD and AB. That means now we are going to draw draw angular bisector of angle A. Okay, so for that, first we'll put the compass at A, then draw an arc to intersect to cut both the arms of a angle, and then taking compass here, another arc. Okay, taking compass here, another arc here, and then from this point another arc here. Okay, so this is our angular bisector. Okay, let us draw angular bisector. Okay, this is our angular bisector. Okay, which meet the circle at point C. So this is our point, C. This is our point C. Now join BC and CD. Okay, let us join this BC and CD. Okay, join BC and CD. Now our cyclic quadrilateral is completed. So final part of the question is measure and write down the length of side CD. Okay, so that means now CD. Okay, we have to measure CD, not BC. Actually it is CD. Okay, so let us measure this CD. Okay, its length is 5 centimeter exactly. Okay, so its length is 5 centimeter. So this is the question from 2022 paper. Okay, now the last question, 2024 specimen copy. Okay, so first instruction is always the same. Okay, use only ruler and compass. Now to construct angle ABC 60 degree, AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. This is also the similar. First we have to construct a triangle in which base BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Base BC is 5 centimeter. Angle ABC is 60 degree. Now AB, length of AB is 6 centimeter. This is AB, and then join this. So we have a triangle like this. Okay, this is the first part. Let us draw this triangle first. Okay, so first we are going to draw a base BC as 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is our first part. So this is base BC as 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is base BC. Now we have to construct an angle 60 degree from B. Okay, so for which first we will make a semicircular arc. Okay, this is first. Okay, this much will okay. Now putting the compass here, got this, will get our 60 degree angle. Okay, and the length of AB is 6 centimeter, so we'll measure 6 centimeter here. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. Okay, now this is 6 centimeter and 60 degree. So this is our point A. Now join AC. So this is our first part of the construction, that is construction of triangle. Okay, now second part. Now the second part is construct the locus of the point equidistant from AB and BC. That means from AB and BC means we are going to construct angular bisector of angle B. Okay, so AB and BC, that means this angle. So we are going to construct angular bisector of angle B. Okay, so first arc is already there, so we'll use that arc only. Okay, we are not going to draw another arc. So that means first we'll make this arc from first intersection and then another arc to cut this arc from here. Okay, so this is our angular bisector. Now first part of the question is done. So this is our first part, angular bisector. So let's this point be D. Okay, now the next part, construct the locus of a point equidistant from A and B. That means the locus from A and B, that is from 2 points, means here we are going to draw perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Okay, so perpendicular bisector of line segment AB means this is the line segment AB. Okay, so to draw a perpendicular bisector of line segment AB, what we'll do is first we'll put the compass at point B and measure this length. Okay, this should be shorter than AB but longer than half the length of AB. Okay, so first arc here and then here. Okay, now putting the same compass at point A, cut this arc. Okay, so from here we'll cut this arc, so here and here. Okay, so this is our perpendicular bisector of line segment AB, that is a locus of a point equidistant from A and B. Okay, so let this point be E. Okay, so now the next part of the question. Okay, next part of the question is mark the point which satisfy both condition A and B. That means here we have to mark the point P which fulfill both the condition. That means basically we have to mark the point P as the point of intersection of this angular bisector and perpendicular bisector. Okay, so that means this is point P. Okay, this is the point P, intersection of angular bisector as well as perpendicular bisector. Okay, that means which is equidistant from AB and BC as well as from point A and B also. Okay, now the last part, hence, okay, here hence construct a circle with center P. and passing through A and B. Okay, finally we have to construct a circle. Okay, taking P as a center and which passes through both A and B. That means this PA as a radius. Okay, so this is our radius. Now we have to draw a circle. That means this circle passes through both A and B. Okay, so this. Okay, in a given question it is given that this circle must passes through point A and B only. Okay, C is not mentioned. Okay, so this circle passes through both A and B. Okay, and the final part, also measure and write down its radius. Okay, so finally we have to measure its radius. Okay, so here radius is PA, PB, both are radius. Okay, so let us measure PB. Okay, so the length of PB is, okay, here this is 3.5 centimeter approximately. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter. So this is from 2024 specimen copy. Okay, this much for today. In our next class we will solve few more questions on the topic construction. So till then, keep practicing and thank you very much.